Hello, this is Joey Melly from Havre, Montana. It's on Havre Holiday with Ricky, and today is Wednesday, June 30th, 2021, and this is Andrea and Gary. We want to have to drive around the small towns in the world. Let's get started. Oh, what comes first? This small town is called Kremlin. Whoa. Oh my God. There it is. It's kind of like a dandelion on this thing. It's kind of like a yellowish thing. And we just have to do it because we've seen better days. So there we go. Kremlin, Montana. This is what they have to do right there. It says, hitting Kremlin. That's for you. This is what they have to do it before. And so there's a sign right here. Kremlin, USA style. Let's have a look at it.
Fix roads.
So there's a cement. And oh. That is the bumpiest place in the world. Oh, there's a house been destroyed. There's a church right here. Back in the 70s. Rule number 2 right here. Oh, there's this park right here at the Kremlin School. And this thing have to tell you that. And which one you have to become. This the new office system. Next, which is becoming this thing, and which you always just have to see it, and how much we get this accomplishing, and but there's always a big thing up there. So there's another one for this church. So there's the gas station right here, and so there's the post office right here, the United States Post Office. And it's kind of like it's better than a Montana town. Like it's seen better ways. Yet. Oh man. What should they have to do right here? Now let's get this thing before. I'll do our next town for a bit. Hold on. Okay, and our next town is Guilford. And this is the biggest, smallest town anyway. So let's go turn right. There's a Sage Creek. And so this is the incredibly cool Guilford, Montana. And they should basically have to do it. Yeah. Let's go have a look at it. So there's Guilford right here. I can see it, that sign. KG Cougars, state champions. I got to play basketball before and get this thing going. I wish we got this. We got the places we got here. Alright then. This should we got this in getting up the with it before. And now we should basically have to what's going on. I bet you we have to figure out like which one it is. And you got the 5-minute owl shutdown. So so there's a Guilford post office. So there it is.
Don't swear.
So there's the towns of Guilford, and I could say it that way. So I wonder, I have to see what's going on right here. Alright, I'll stay tuned for Hingham after these messages. Okay, and our next town is Hingham. So this is the official small town anyway. So I can see it better. I want to see that classic towns up here. Of course, it always doesn't have to worry. It said, welcome to Hingham. And that was what we had to get a couple years ago. Let's go ahead and see what we got.
Oh gosh. Where am I going? Street sign. We'll see.
There's a street around the dirt. There's just kind of like a classic towns up here.
We're going.
Oh. Boy. This is kind of like familiar, I think. So let's see what we got here. So, I've just done before and get this thing, the job done.
I'm in the wedding and a funeral district.
Like, wow, there's a church right here. How much we have to go to this say Judy? I wonder how we can help me. For sure, little buddy has been will appreciate it. Up, there's another one right here. It's called the church. And what is it? This one? It used corrupted the post office of Hingham. That was pretty nice. I'll go do a rug yard for a sec. Hold on, and I'll return for more. So there's a park playground right here. I was the best guy who came with it. And lots more. We'll go do a rug yard for a sec. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, our last town is Broadwater, Montana. So this is this thing right here. And obviously it's a bit small town anyways. Okay, here we go. Okay then, the Sugar Shack was made open in 1947 when everybody gets some ice cream. Where have this and this, there's some fast food and company where you get through all kinds of desserts. So there's the North 255. Sorry about that. Okay, let me see what we got here. We got the Rudyard Bar that became vivid. And
Olin.
We'll have to play a game from K-Lines. And this thing have to do, they have to see it right here. You might go in a while.
I do the car museum again, but that guy wasn't very impressed with us.
Okay.
Jiminy Crickers.
That is the...
Oh yeah, they just opened a new office here.
You need logo here. Which
Which
stands for place logo here. So there's a Highline Theater. As we came with it. And if this thing have to do right here. And finally you got this one. You got that way. So this is your tire factories. As we came with it. And which one should we turn here? I'll give you a clue. So this thing has to right there. So there's a school. right here. And there's I think it could give you a problem. There's the crafted antelope. See? So there's a Broadwater museum. Which of this thing have to do right, guy? You got all of these dinosaurs. Yet. I'd be sure you can always visit all kinds of stuffs at the small towns. But I'll just take care of it. Okay, we'll see you in our video. Okay, so we got the Rudyard thing. Is the so I guess you have to see it on way. So there's the McNair on it. There's the Highline Village Motor Museum.
A lot of people shop at that McNair furniture. Bless you, bless you, bless you.
And there must be good that this thing have to make it happen. And you know, your big says Farmers Onion Oil Company. Yeah, it does. And all kinds of grain elevators, but this Montana thing, as we came to see with it. Oh boy. And a prompt. Okay, now and that's it for this video of small towns in Montana, and I'll go do another video for now. And this is Drew Melly sign off on Wednesday, June 30th, 2021. Goodbye.